Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about some things that you should have if you're thinking of starting, your makeup journey. So these are like my 5 must-haves that I recommend to you. And yeah, without wasting time, let's get on into the video. Number 1 are lipsticks. So you don't need to have like hundreds of lipsticks. You don't need that if you're just starting your makeup career. All you need is 3 lipsticks, one in brown, one red and one pink. So I'm going to be swatching these shades for you guys. Okay, so the first one is this lipstick. This is from Lakme and this is Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. I think this was around 300 or something. I will link all the details about it. So as you can see, this is kind of like a very dark maroon shade. I mean, it's perfect for any kind of event. You can just wear this and go anywhere you like. I have also swatched another red lipstick and this is also from Lakme. So the next lipstick is also from Lakme and this is a very beautiful brownish color. As you can see, I mean, I just love this shade. It looks really beautiful, really beautiful. And yeah, this is also around 285 or something, so it is really affordable and you can check this out. And the last one is a pink lipstick. This is from Maybelline and this is more on the neutral side, so this is a really good lipstick. This may not go with every skin shade, but you can mix and match this lipstick with other lipsticks too. So yeah, so if you want to start your makeup journey, you should have at least a brown, red and a pink color. Number 2 is foundation. तो अगर आप अपना makeup journey start कर रहे हैं, it would be good if you have good foundation. You don't need 4 or 5 or 6 foundation. You just need 1 or 2 foundations of your shade. Make sure you match your shade. अगर आपको foundation shade match करना नहीं आता है, तो you can go to shops. If you are not comfortable with that buying online, go to shops and ask the person who works around there and they will help you match your shade. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is such a good foundation for beginners. This is for $2.99, but you can get it on sale in Nykaa. And yeah, I think you should have it if you are starting your makeup journey. Number 3 is makeup applicators and brushes. So you don't need a lot of brushes when you start your makeup. You don't need like 10 or 15 or 20 brushes. You just need 2 or 3 brushes that work according to it. So for foundation, contouring, blush and all, you can use this kind of beauty blender. It just works very good. You can buy it from shops or online. And for brushes, you may need this kind of fluffy brush. It helps to just apply your highlighter or your blushes and anything. And you can use this kind of brush to just comb. It just really helps to comb your eyebrows and it really gives defined look to your brows. And for my eye makeup, I use these 3 brushes. So this one is a more fluffier one, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं. This really helps you to blend your makeup really well. As you can, I'm just going to show you. This is how it looks. I just love it. And it just helps you apply that crease makeup or crease eyeshadow look, or just to blend it really well. This one is kind of like a tapered brush. It really helps in just applying your. You need to start with a blending brush and then you can go for a more precise look. If you want a more precise look, you can use this tapered brush. And this one is like a sponge. I mean, many people think this is just useless, but you can really apply your glitters and everything using this one. So I use these 3 brushes for my eyeshadow. What you need is an eyeshadow palette if you want to create looks, but you should make sure when you buy an eyeshadow palette that it has each and everything. You don't if you are a makeup beginner, you don't need contouring, you don't need to buy a blush, you don't need to buy a highlighter separately. Just look for an eyeshadow palette where you get each and everything. So I have this eyeshadow palette that I really want to show you. This is the Swiss Beauty HD Professional Eyeshadow Palette. This has a lot of colors. Now if you want to go for something fun, something bright, like I did this lilac shade eyeshadow, so you can use this kind. I use this shade for this look. So you can use, you have brights, you have pink, you have purple, you have all kinds of eyeshadows. Like if you want highlighter, you have this bright white, and then you have this skin kind of shimmery shade. It really works well as a highlighter. If you need to have a blush, you can apply blush with your lipstick as well as your eyeshadows too. We have a lot of options right here for blushes. You can use any of these for your eyeshadow. And for contouring too, we have some browns here. You can use these. You have this dark gray color, you have a black right here. This is kind of like, it's not a black, this is a dark gray color for that smoky look. So make sure that whatever you want, everything is fulfilled inside a palette. You don't need 2 or 3 palettes when you're just starting makeup. अब ज़्यादा तो आप खर्च कर नहीं सकते जब आप मेकअप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. Just a beginner, you are learning, so you don't need a lot of palettes. Just invest in one palette and you're good to go. The fifth one, and one of the most important one, is skincare, guys. Now skincare is really important if you are applying makeup. When you apply makeup, it has a lot of chemicals. It can harm your skin, so you want to protect your skin. So make sure that you do your skincare before and after your makeup. Now when I say skincare mean it many things come under it, like there are serums, there are face washes. I did a whole video on it. If you want to see, I will link it in the description box. Make sure you check it out. So I use 2 skincare products before I start my makeup. First, I do my face wash. I am currently using this Good Vibes Rose Hip face wash. I just love this one. I mean, it is really good for oily skin. I think it matches every skin tone. And the thing after that I use to just make my face look really soft and smooth, and this even covers my pores also. So this one is Good Vibes Marula Oil Balancing Facial Oil. Facial oils are really good for your skin. They don't have chemicals. They are essential oils that keep your skin very nourished and healthy. So make sure you do your right skincare according to your skin type. Now if you have a dry skin type, don't use the products that are preferred for oily skin type. You know what I mean. So make sure you do a whole research before you start doing your makeup. So yeah, these are things that you need and will help you a lot in the long run. So with that, we have finished my 5 must-haves, and if you did like this video, then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Anamol. Welcome to my channel, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Press subscribe. Then subscribe कर देना और bell button भी दबा देना, because you can get new notifications whenever I post a video. So yeah, stay tuned, stay safe. Bye bye.